Welcome to Mahila Samaja online class. Now I am here. Today I am going to teach you about continuous class of triangles. Already we know that in this chapter we have learned about meaning of triangles, types of triangles. So next, congruence of triangles. So in last class we have studied about the criterias. It means some of the basic principles to prove the congruence of triangles. These things we have studied in the last class. So next further once again here to make a continuous class here to study few more criterias in this class. So in this first one today's in this class first one it is, so that is SS criteria or SS criteria for congruence of triangles. Okay students, so this is SS ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, side. Okay, so if you want to prove the congruence of triangles means, so we need two triangles. Is it clear? Two triangles. So while we are comparing the two triangles, in these two triangles, so in a pair of triangles, three sides. Triangle is having how many sides? Three sides, dear students. So these three sides of one triangle is equal to three sides of equal to corresponding three sides of another triangle. Then we should say, then these two triangles are congruent. See students, so this is the statement like this. So in pair of triangles, it means two triangles, three sides. Each triangle is having three sides. That three sides of one triangle is equal to corresponding three sides of another triangle. So then we should say these two triangles are congruent. It is students. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡ್ಸು, ಅನದರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ತ್ರೀ ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ, then we should say these two triangles are congruent. Okay now students, so for this just we shall take the example here. This diagrams are triangle shape. Okay, so this is A, B, C. So this is D, E, F. So this is the pair of triangles. Okay, so here this is A, B, this is side BC, this is side AC. So in this triangle DE, EF, and this is DF. See, sides has mentioned here. So in this triangle, from the triangle ABC and triangle, from the triangle ABC and triangle DEF, Okay, so in this triangle ABC ಇಲ್ಲಿ AB ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಸೈಡು. So its corresponding side is DE. I already told in the last class. So this is the symbolic representation of corresponding sides. Okay, so this is DE. This is about side. Okay, so next BC I will take here. Side BC from the triangle ABC. Its corresponding side in DEF is EF. Correct? Yes. So this is also side. Right. So next I will take here AC from ABC triangle. Side AC is equal to side DF. DF. So this is also side. Okay. So yes. Side to side to side. It means three sides of one triangle. This is ABC triangle, which is equal to DEF. Its corresponding sides there. So DEF only it is equal. Then you should say this is the minimum rule. So then by SSS rule, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, now students. So here just I am explaining. So three sides of one triangle, that is ABC, which is equal to DEF. Another three sides of the triangle DEF. It means corresponding sides of DEF. Then AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. So side to side to side by SSS rule. So these two triangles are congruent. Okay now students. So next one more example I will take here. So that is just by giving the values. So this is the triangle PQR. Take one more triangle here. This is A, B, C. Okay, so in this side is around 4 centimeter, and this is 3.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. So this is about 4.5 centimeter. So this is 3.5 centimeter. Now just compare here. So this is PQ. First I will take QR base from the triangles PQR and triangle ABC. First I will take this one. QR, it is a base. Okay, is equal to your BC. Its corresponding side in ABC is equal to BC, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, so next I will take PQ. Its corresponding side here it is AC, that is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Next I will take PR. Side PR is equal to side AB, that is 4.5 centimeters. While we are representing the values on the triangles, it means basically side to side ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದಾ? ನೋ, ನೆವರ್. ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೆಂತು. ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆಂತು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆಂತ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿ here 3.5 is there, here 3.5 this side. So this is base is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. So here PR is another side, that is 4.5 centimeter. Your AB is corresponding side, that is 4.5 centimeter. Now triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC. Okay, from these two examples just say this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, here I am represented symbolically. So in these two diagrams I have given the values for these sides, basically side lengths. So side length is always varying, is it right? So varies means so corresponding sides is equal. Then you should have say these two triangles are congruent. It means ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ದು 3 ಸೈಡ್ಸು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ 3 ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ 3 ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಎಸ್ postulate, sorry, SSS postulate or SSS criteria for congruence of a triangles. Okay na students? So SSS criteria for triangles andre so three sides of one triangle is equal to another 3 sides of another triangle. Then you should say that is SSS criteria for the congruence of triangles. Okay na students? So what is meant by congruence of a triangles? Congruence ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು dear students? Congruence means the things or shapes which are having the same shape as well as the size. Then you should say that two triangles are congruence. If you want to prove congruence of a triangles means some of the basic principles or criteria it is required. So in this we have studied here SSS criteria for triangles. Okay now students? So next we move on to the next one, that is RHS rule. So this is maybe fourth one, right? So next it is RHS congruence rule. Congruence rule or criteria. Congruence criteria, RHS rule. Okay, this RHS stands for what? So basically R is a right angle. H means hypotenuse. S means side. So short form is RHS. ಆದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ RHS it is indicating so R right angle ಅಂತಾನೆ. So which triangle is having a right angle means the triangle is called as a right angled triangle. Okay na students? So here its statement is like this: in a pair of two right angle triangles in this hypotenuse and side of the one triangle is equal to hypotenuse and side of the another right angle triangle. It is called as a RHS congruence rule or criteria. Okay, RHS criteria for congruence of a triangles. So once again, dear students, in a pair of right angled triangles, hypotenuse and side of one triangle is equal to hypotenuse and side of the another triangle. Then two triangles are congruent. Okay na students? So in row two right angle triangles only, so hypotenuse and side of one triangle is equal to hypotenuse and side of the another triangle. Then you should say these two triangles are congruent. Okay na students? So in this, just now we want to take here one example. So that is, just observe here. Right angle triangle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು dear students? right angle triangle. So triangle is having three angles. So out of these three angles, one angle is equal to 90 degree. Such a type of triangle is called as a right angle triangle. Okay na? Yes. So this is about your pair of two right angle triangles. So just you should to make comparison of what the statement should be indicating. Statement is indicating one right angle, hypotenuse and side. These three things just you should to compare here. So here angle B from the triangles ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, correct? So it is indicating 90 degree. So that is your right angle R. Okay. So next, so you should take its base BC. Sorry, you should take hypotenuse. So dear students, say one special property of the right angle triangle here. So which side is opposite to the 90 degree? That is called the hypotenuse. Or so which side is the lengthiest side in the right angle triangle? That is called the hypotenuse. Just observe dear students, this AB and BC and AC. If you compare these three sides, so which side is greater here or more here? That is AC, correct? So AC is your hypotenuse. That is AC is equal to, here also just observe here, PQR triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ angle Q ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. So just ಇದಕ್ಕೆ opposite ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ side ಯಾವುದು ಇದು PR, correct? That is your hypotenuse. So that is your hypotenuse. That is your H. Okay. So next, just take its base BC, one of its side. BC is equal to its base is QR. That is a side. So that is S. Right? See, ABC is equal to PQR another 90 degree. So that is a right angle, or AC another hypotenuse in this triangle. So in this triangle, PR and the hypotenuse on the equal, that is H. So one side BC has taken here and here QR has taken. So BC is equal to QR. Then it is a side S. Okay. So by RHS triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay students, so this is about RHS congruence criteria or RHS rule for the congruence of a triangles. Okay, right. So we have studied in this lesson. So there are four criteria. In last class we have studied about SAS as well as ASA, and based on that few problems also we did. Now we are done here in this class SSS postulate as well as RHS postulate. So now we want to do some problems based on this two criteria. Okay, so now we want to introduce the problem. Okay, here problem is like this. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. P and Q are points on opposite sides of AB such that each of them is equidistance from the points A and B. Then show that line PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so this is about your problem, right? So here what is given? First record the given. AB is a line segment, and P and Q are the 2 points opposite to the AB, such that each of them are equidistant. See here, I am going to write the diagram first. This is about line segment AB. This is AB. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಿಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ P and Q ಅನ್ನೋದು 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ just equidistance from A and B. Okay, then show that PQ antade, line PQ antade, then you can join these two PQ, then perpendicular to, then show that PQ is, this is P, this is Q, which is perpendicular bisector of the AB antade. Okay, so where it is meeting your C, that AB, that one you can call it as C, then join AP, here also you can join this from both the sides BQ, and this one also you can join here PB. Now we are getting here rhombus, right? So just say here this A to P, so this is equidistance. B to P, it is also, they are saying it is equidistance. From B to Q, it is also equidistance. So from A to Q is also equidistance, right? So this is about a diagram from the problem. Now we want to prove here this PQ, it can divide your AB into perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree correct agi divide madutte anta show ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Okay, so now here for this we have a solution. First, from the triangle APQ or PAQ, and triangle BPQ or PBQ, triangle PBQ. Okay, these 2 triangles just show to comparison. Now first we can take, this is AP, side AP is equal to side BP, they are given, both are equidistance, correct? So this is about your side. Okay, so next can take AQ is equal to side BQ. So this is also already given. Why andre because both P and Q are equidistant opposite to AB antane. Okay, so this is also side. So next take PQ is equal to PQ. So this is common side for both the triangles. Just observe in the diagram. PQ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. PQ ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೈ SS congruence rule, by SSS congruence rule, triangle PAQ is equal to, or sorry, congruent to triangle PBQ. Correct? SSS rule prakara these two triangles are congruent. Now APQ angle APQ is equal to angle BPQ. Why andre it is a CPCT. In CPCT andre what is meant by CPCT, dear students? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Corresponding part the angle, these two angles are corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So adike APQ is equal to BPQ. Okay na? Right. So next, now triangle PAC and triangle PBC you can take. Okay, so in this just see here, this is AP, side AP is equal to side BP. This is given. Okay, so next angle APC is equal to angle BPC. So we have taken here already. This is one from one. Okay, so next to PC, side PC is equal to another side PC. So this is common side. So this is S, this is A, this is S. Okay, so by SAS congruence rule, triangle PAC is congruent to triangle PBC. Okay, so these two triangles are congruent. Then side AC is equal to side BC. Because of this is a part of congruent triangles, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Is it correct? Yes. So next it is angle ACP is equal to angle BCP. So this is also CPCT. So this is also a part of congruent triangles. Okay, so next here just you can take here angle ACP plus angle BCP is equal to 180 degree. Why it is andre linear pair of angles. So these two are linear pair. So from here from 2 angle ACP is equal to angle BCP. Correct? BCP. Now substitute above equation, then it should become ACP plus ACP is equal to 180. So now it should become twice the ACP is equal to 180. Then angle ACP is equal to 180 by 2. Then angle ACP is equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle ACP is equal to 90 degree. Now we can decide that your PQ, side PQ is perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Correct, students? So this is about the problem. So once again, AB is a line segment. P and Q are the 2 points on the opposite side of a AB. So such that each of them is equidistant from the points A and B. Then show that line PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB. From this clue, so just we have drawn this diagram. So now this you should take PAQ and PBQ, these two triangles. Once we can prove the congruence by SSS criteria. So angle APQ is equal to BPQ because of this angle is it is a part of congruent triangle, right? So now next we can take PAC and PBC, these two triangles. Just we can prove this by SAS. So these two triangles are congruent. So after that, so just we can take congruent parts. It means corresponding parts of congruent triangles in this AC and BC. So ACP and BCP are the angles. So just we can take a common this line ACP plus BCP is equal to 180 degree. It is a linear pair of angles. So then ACP is equal to BCP from this to, so then ACP plus ACP twice the ACP. So now it should become 90 degree. So which line should be having a 90 degree? It is called as a perpendicular line. So that line should be passing through AB. So then we should decide PQ is a perpendicular bisector of side AB. Okay, friends. So next one more problem, please. So dear students, so please this criteria you should keep in your mind because of it is very useful for the calculation part of the geometry. So whenever it should be necessary, just you can recall from your mind, then easily you can do the problems. Otherwise we cannot do it this. Okay, something what these congruence rules are very important for your calculations part of the geometry. So that's what this rules as well as the criteria you can keep in your mind. Okay, so next one more problem here. So problem number 2, P is a point equidistance from the lines L and M intersecting at A, then show that the line AP bisects the angle between them. Okay, so this is the problem here. P is a point that is equidistant from the two lines L and M intersecting at A. Then show that line AP bisect the angle between them. So from this, so we are very clear. There are two lines are given here. Two lines is given. So which are intersecting at a point A. So one is L, another one is M. So here it is A point A. It should be intersecting at A. So a point P is equidistance antane. So then draw a line through this point. So this is a point P. So this is a point which is equidistance antane. So equidistance antane, then you can decide this is a point B, this is point C. So from this, so we are very clear here. to use the congruence rules. Okay, so ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ just take down. Let L and M are intersecting at A. Okay, say point P is equidistance from the lines M and L. Okay, so next to that is from the diagram, just observe here. So this point P is equidistant from M and L ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, so this is BP is equal to CP, or BP is equal to CP. These two sides are equal. Okay, so next now consider triangle ABP and triangle APC. Triangle ACP. Okay, this is the two triangles. Just take into the consideration. Now here this is a triangle, this is a side, triangle. In this triangle, side BP is equal to side PC. So this is already given. Alright, this is a side. Okay, this is side. One second now. Just I want to apply here RHS. Okay, so first we should take here angle PBA is equal to angle PCA. This is 90 degree. Okay, see, we are drawn perpendicular to line M, correct? So this is line drawn PC perpendicular to side L. So that is your RHS, or right angle. Okay, so now next this PC, so it's what is its opposite side? AP, correct? So because of it is opposite side of opposite to the 90 degree, it is called hypotenuse. So that's what you should take. Side AP is equal to side AP. Okay, this is your hypotenuse. So that is your H. Okay, so next you should take this side and this side. So that is otherwise you can take BP is equal to PC. So this is a side. Okay, so by RHS triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACP, correct? So now by RHS these two triangles are equal. Now you should take angle PAB. Angle PAB equals to angle PAC. Why it is? Because of corresponding parts of congruent triangles, correct? So now next here angle BAC, you can take BAC, this triangle. So what happens? This angle is equal to angle PAB plus angle PAC, correct? ಈ ಎರಡು angles na add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get the BAC, correct? So next here, so by these two what you are indicating, this is angle PAB plus PAC, it should become angle PBAC, right? ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ bisect the angle BAC. Okay students, so this is about this problem. So in this class we have studied about SSS congruence rule as well as the RHS congruence rule and examples. So from based on that, we did the two problems also. Okay students, so we are going to learn more about these things in the next class. Thank you.